Thinking of visiting the Cliff Walk? Well, in today's video, my team and I are going to highlight this 3.5-mile journey along the coast featuring Newport mansions and ocean views. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in Rhode Island or surrounding areas like Newport, subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Rhode Island. My name is Devin, and my team and I, we get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Rhode Island, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make a smooth move to Rhode Island. Let's take the tour. Thanks for joining us today on the tour of the Cliff Walk. If you're looking for more information on Newport or surrounding areas in Rhode Island, all of my contact information is in the description below.